Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super useful tutorial, how to enable UPnP in Windows for 2025. If you're not familiar, UPnP stands for Universal Plug and Play, and it's a feature that lets devices on your network communicate seamlessly. This is perfect for gamers dealing with port forwarding issues, or anyone sharing files between computers and smart devices. It's a quick process, and by the end, you'll have it up and running in no time. First things first, make sure you're on a Windows PC. We're assuming Windows 11 here, but it works similarly on recent versions. Start by opening the Start menu. Type Control Panel and hit Enter. Once you're in Control Panel, look for Network and Sharing Center and click on it. This is your gateway to managing network settings. Next, in the Network and Sharing Center, click on Change Advanced Sharing Settings on the left side. You'll see different network profiles like private or public. Make sure you're on the profile you're currently using, then expand it. Under that, scroll down to Network Discovery and turn it on. This enables UPnP functionality, as it allows your PC to discover and connect to other devices. While you're here, you might also want to enable file and printer sharing for a smoother experience, but that's optional depending on your needs. Hit Save Changes at the bottom. Now, to double-check, go back to the Start menu, search for Services, and open the Services app. Look for SSDP Discovery in the list. That's the service tied to UPnP. If it's not started, right-click it, select Properties, set the startup type to Automatic, and then click Start. Apply the changes and close out. And just like that, UPnP is enabled. Remember, while this makes networking easier, it can pose some security risks. So keep your firewall up and only enable it if you need it. If you run into any issues, restart your computer or check your router settings for additional UPnP options. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you in the next video.